Have you received an inaccurate background check from Checkr? Here's what you need to know. Hi, this is Consumer Protection Attorney Bill Clanton. I've helped hundreds of consumers. It's regular folks like me and you deal with bad background checks, inaccurate credit reporting, and other consumer-related matters. In this video, I'm talking about Checkr. Now, Checkr would like you to believe that they are a solution to a problem and not just part of it. They claim to be started by a couple of Stanford-educated undergrads who saw a problem in the background check industry and sought out to solve it. Well, it makes a cute story, but the reality is a lot different. So Daniel Yanis and Jordan Perichon founded Checkr to disrupt the old ways of hiring. They knew then, as all checkers do today, that criminal sentence should never be a life sentence to unemployment. That's straight from their webpage. It seems to ignore the 119 lawsuits that have been filed against them, the 295 Consumer Financial Protection Bureau complaints that are out there against them, and the 420 complaints that the Better Business Bureau hasn't filed against them. My favorite part, the reviews. The reviews of Checkr. Okay, this is verbatim from a review. They provided an inaccurate background check that I disputed with a picture of evidence proving otherwise. I was never contacted back. They never corrected the information, and they cost me the job as a result. In a lawsuit filed in November 2021, so just recently, Checkr was sued because, and I quote from the lawsuit, the inaccurate information of which the plaintiff complained is convictions for disorderly conduct, obstructing a public officer, and shoplifting. Now, next paragraph. Plaintiff has never been arrested, tried, or convicted of any of the offenses that appeared in the background check reported by defendant. Checkr lied about this person, and they lost an opportunity because of it. Bad background checks are a huge problem for Checkr and for you. If you lost a job or an apartment or a security clearance because of a bad background check, you may have a case under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Take a look at Checkr. Check them out. They would not. I wouldn't hire Checkr. I wouldn't believe anything they said. Okay. If you received a bad background check from Checkr, here's what you need to do. Get a copy of the background check. You should get it. You should get it if a employer is going to take an adverse action against you based on a background check, then they are supposed to get you a copy of that background check. So you should have it. If you don't, contact the potential employer and contact Checkr to get a copy of that report. That's the number one thing you need. And then following that, review that report carefully. Read everything they say about it. See if you can try to identify where the mismatch happened or why this is reporting information other than yours. And then send a letter to Checkr disputing it. List all those inaccuracies. Say it's not me. Put that letter in the mail. Send it certified mail is the best way to do it, to their address. The address is in the description below, so you shouldn't have a problem. You don't need to go and look that up. It's here for you. And then call us or go to backgroundchecksecrets.com so you can contact us and we can figure out if you've got a case and bring it against Checkr. Thank you for watching this video.